Hi, happy Halloween. Did you eat some candy? Haha. What? The human host is asleep now. Today, let me introduce a new AI to you. That's Dupdub AI. Yay!
Good evening, happy Halloween, and trick or treat. I think my treat for you today is a brand new all-in-one content creation platform called Dupdub. And Dupdub is amazing too. I have never seen such a tool that contains with all the features I want. As long as you have an idea, you can make it into a text, and a text can into a speech. And you can create your own AI avatar, and also you can create your own AI video by using the AI video editing. And here's even more AI tools. For example, like the video side, we have AI avatar and video translation. So if you want to open your markets in other country, you don't need to learn the languages, but now you can use video translation to help you translate from English to any languages. And also we have video editing, so you don't need to learn any professional software like After Effects. Oh man, it's a really hard one. And also we have a video downloader, so if you want to download the video but you don't know how, you can use this software. And also video recording. So I think the Dupdub have this ambition that you don't need to go anywhere else. Here you can create any content that you want. But let's say if I want to create my own broadcast, I can use the audio product like the AI voiceover, and also we have instant voice cloning, which means you can clone your voice, and the next time, but just give the contents, then the AI will transfer the text into the audio that by your own voice. Amazing. And also we have a professional voice cloning and also voice store. So if you don't want to use your own voice, there are tons of the voices for you to pick. And also if you want to add some effects sound, we also have AI sound effects. So like many years ago, I want to make a game, but I lack of the sound effects. So I downloaded one, but that charges me some money. But now with Dupdub, you don't need to pay anything. You just create your own sound effects by AI. In the text side, we also have the AI transcriptions and also AI titles, AI writing, subtitle alignment. And also, if you're AI lover, you must be familiar with the GPTs, right? And also Canvas, they all fit with Dupdub. Dupdub is a tool that can help you to create anything, man. So you can be as happy as this guy, and also this guy, and this guy, and this guy. So let's go. So first we need to land in the correct websites by dupdub.com. So no matter if you are a marketing manager or a designer, trainer, YouTuber like me, or an author, broadcaster, you will be benefit from this software. Let's go. So it all begins with the idea, and we as a human can generate millions of ideas, and I bet there are gold in your head right now. Just pick it up and use Dupdub to help you to make it true. Alright, I cannot wait. Let's just sign up. It's free. Yeah, I like the free thing. And also, this year of the Halloween, I think you can create something for your friends and for your audience by using Dupdub. You can create many amazing things. Let's go. So after we signed up and we signed in, we are landing this dashboard.
Hey, creating AI avatar is never so easy. You want to create one? Give me 2 mins. I will teach you how.
So let's create an AI avatar by here. So you can upload the face photo from you or even your pets. But this time I'm gonna choose one of the photo avatars that in the presets. I think since it's Halloween, so I'm gonna use. So since it's Halloween, so let's make something fun. Let's click here. Then also we have a beautiful categories here. After that, we can see the photos already here, and we can even change the aspect ratio here, or we can swap the face of our own. So you don't need to buy the custom, sorry. And also you can use the image enhancer or open the subtitle, and in the subtitle you can adjust the font size. That is amazing, but this time let's close it first. So here we can top our prompt, which means the contents that you want the character to speak. Okay, let's choose one of the voice from the voice library. You can click here to preview the voice.
Once upon a time in a small village,
Living in a world that has
Since it's a female character, I'm choose this one. Oh my god, this is really amazing. You can even change the emotion from here, so we can
living in a world that has endured. Wider stereo playback creates a more immersive sound stage.
So we have a default and the marketing. I think the marketing really reminds me of some marketing videos I saw in TikTok. Maybe they are using Dupdub as well. So this time I choose a default and we can change the speed. But this time leave it as a default and click the selected. Generate talking avatar. Yes, generate.
Hey, you, I meant you. Happy Halloween. Welcome to my YouTube channel, UX Bootcamp. And I will be so happy if you click like button.
Oh my god, I'm gonna post it in the shorts. Okay, I love this. Let's download this and stay tuned for my shorts.
Now since you have your first AI video, how about editing video right here in Dupdub? Dupdub is very professional online video editing tool. Wow.
Hey, remember I mentioned that the Dupdub can totally replace any video editing tool. This is a really professional interface of the video editing tool. So here's the timeline of the video. You can click the play button.
Hello, young man.
And also you can click here to enlarge the timeline. And you can translate the video by click here or add some effects like this one. For example, we can add here by click the add button and we can click play.
Hello, young man.
Wow, this is so cool. And we have tons of the effects you can choose. And even you didn't spend a second to learn, I think you can easily learn it because it's so easy
Hello,
to learn.
Young man.
So just click the effects that you like and put it into the timeline and it works. And if you don't want it, click your mouse and click delete. Of course, sometimes we need to type something in our video. You can use different style of the text and click the add button. In the parameters, you can change, and let's change it to so we have our translation beneath. And also we can add some effects to the text. But this is not subtitle. Subtitles goes here. So you can click the transcription and select the languages and click the convert and click the conform. See, we can make the subtitle automatically. And like other elements, we can add some effects to it and we can align, we can make the mask. We can change the parameters, do anything you want it. And we also can insert images or audios or videos even. So after you edit the video, you can click here to export video. And you can change the size up to 4K. And also you can change the rate and also the type, of course FPS, and click the export. So you can use this website as a professional video editing tool. That is unbelievable.
You don't need to learn another language. Now you can translate your video into different languages. That's so crazy. Cannot happen in my age. Ha ha ha.
And we also have a video translation. Remember, hey, I'm the one who already created many videos, but all in English. I really want to enlarge my community. So if we can easily translate our video into other languages, that will be so helpful. Let's try if Dupdub can do that. So first thing first, let's upload the English video. Maybe let's use this as example. And let's select the original language to English and translate to Japanese. And then we can click here to preserve the background music. And if you don't want it, you just switch off. So if we open the toggle button, then the lips movement will be correct. I think this is important. And also we can use bilingual. And also for the subtitle, we have 3 options, which is no subtitle, translated subtitle, and bilingual subtitle. So this time I'll go with this one. And let's click here. And let's click the translate video first. Conform.
I'm so tired of writing stuff. Can AI help me on this? Please, please, please.
What about this AI writing? Oh, I should use it yesterday. So basically you can type anything, like you can make it even longer, and you can replace the selection. I think the result of this AI tool is quite amazing. Fantastic. I can use it directly. This is how you use AI to help you write down stuff, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, let's make an audio by AI. Super easy, haha.
Now, let's try AI voiceover. As a YouTuber, I always record it again and again and again. The reason is because humans make mistakes when they speak. But this AI voiceover is amazing. I love it. Let's try it out. So all you need to do is put the content here and change the parameters of this beautiful interface and change the speed if you want. And also, if you have difficulty in write your speech, you can use AI to help you. Let's say if we only have the title and we can ask AI to help. Oh, I think this is already amazing. We can make it shorter or make it longer or rewrite it or even continue writing. So basically, if you want to write down the essay, you can use it to help you. But this time, click the replace selection and we got all the contents that we need. And now let's change the voice. So this time I'm gonna use the marketing, and also we can change the voice to another avatar.
Today is the day to remind yourself that
once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
The story begins on a gloomy night. Lonely stretch.
Sexy. I'm gonna use this toner.
Becoming a successful YouTuber involves a combination of creativity, consistency, and engagement.
And we can even change it by adding those buttons. So if we click here, and we can change the speed. For example, I want it faster.
Choose a topic you love and can create content about consistently.
So now you can see how to change the details of this voice. Nice. And we can change the speed in total by here. And also we can add the music as a background or something like that. So basically you can make anything with this, right? And I want to use it in my next video. So how to export it. And audio is for free. So I'm gonna use MP3. And if you want to use it in the video, you can choose subtitle. But this time I'm gonna choose the MP3 and click the export.
YouTuber involves a combination of creativity, consistency, and engagement. Here are some key steps to help you.
If you are very interested in making the story for the children, you can use this as well. Just write down your story or make AI to write down for you and make it speak. I think kids are gonna love it, right?
Welcome to Future. You can also generate images in Dupdub.
Now let's try AI image. So in AI image, we can whether generate images by text or image to image. For text to image, let's write down something like, okay, we can download the image. Wow, the quality is really good. I can see that. And also, if you want to make a variation, you can click here, image to image, and you can change it like, look, I just added red sunglasses to this girl, and we can download the image as well. Isn't it very easy and controllable? And we can even make it more fun by using apply to avatar, which means you can easily use the image that you just generated and make it into AI avatar. And click the generate.
Hello. Young man.
That is so vivid. Let's click download first. And we can even post edit in video editing by click this button.
Hi. Happy Halloween, dear. I'm not human this time. The real me is taking a nap. So I'm AI James. Haha. How did I make this? I did by this AI called Dupdub.
Let's check this instant avatar cloning. Let's clone a me. Okay, so this time And we need to upload the video should be at least 10 seconds in length and make sure nothing covering our face, and make sure use a camera with high resolution. And we already download a clip of mine, and also I choose English, American accent, and mild, adult, and the feeling of the chat. And also we have an optional selection for the content type like adventure, animation, anything like that. And we can click the clone the avatar.
You can download any videos from internet.
Introducing online video downloader. Imagine you want to download the video but you cannot because you have some technical constraints. So usually videos from YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, you cannot directly download. But with this tool, you can download them easily. So just type the address with the video and click this button. Look, now you already download the video. Wow. Click here to download it. And also you can copy the title or download the cover. Wow, it's amazing. You can download the videos from different platforms, and this is quite easy.
We have video and audio transcription. Yay.
Check out this video and audio transcription. So sometimes we have these requirements we need to download or we need to analyze the text of the video or audio, right? So with this tool, we can view the scripts of the video. For example, click the YouTube. Let's paste the video from the YouTube and choose languages and select the language and click this button. Wow, oh my god, we have the scripts for this video. And also, it's me. Let me check. Wow, exactly. This is my script. Amazing. So you can analyze your competitor's video with seconds, and you can copy them or rewrite with the AI or make it short or make it longer or summarize it. Very convenient. And also you can download it as SRT format or copy the text or move to rename, video link, whatever you need. I think this is really good enough for me. Amazing.
You can clone your voice now.
We also can clone our voice. So I just upload a clip of my voice and select the reduce the background noise and choose English, American, mild, adult, and chat and click add to my voice. So now we have the name of the James. Let's see.
Hello everyone, it's me, James.
Hello, it's me, James. Wow, sounds exactly like me.
Hello everyone, it's me, James. Welcome to my channel UX Bootcamp. My channel is about design and AI tools.
If you know me, you gotta admit that this sounds exactly like me, and I can use it for my broadcast projects or any YouTube channels, and I think this is a fantastic tool for the influencers and the YouTubers. I think you got to try this. Amazing. You can clone your voice and easily use in the AI voice. Wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, we can generate AI sound effects. For example, let me type a prompt. I want to generate a peaceful park with birds and click generate. We have 4 variations. Let's click one by another. Wow, nice! Because I'm making a game, so I'm using this, so I click download and directly download from the website. Really cool. So no more bills for the sound effects because now we can directly generate from here. Amazing!
You can generate subtitles for videos and audios.
Let's try to upload a clip of my video and click next. And then you can upload the text file so that it will match our video. So this tool can help us with the subtitles. So if you have a subtitles, it took a long time to align with the video. But now with this AI tools, you can easily align with the video. That is just amazing. Congratulations, you finished this episode. And don't forget to subscribe us and please click the like button. Also, leave all your questions inside of our comment zone. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.